Hey you guys, I just wanted to share this easy weeknight dinner recipe, so keep on watching. Alright, so I have some salmon that I've rinsed and patted dry. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon on there. I'm also going to season with some salt, and then we're going to chop up some fresh parsley. I'm also going to season with black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, paprika. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, and then I'm also going to add some minced garlic. Next, I'm adding in that fresh parsley, and then I'm just gonna toss this to make sure that everything is seasoned and coated on all sides. I'm gonna cover it and let it marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right, next we are gonna work on our broccoli. So I am gonna put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, some garlic powder and onion powder, a little bit of minced garlic. I'm gonna mix everything together. Next, I'm gonna blanch the broccolini. I'm also gonna peel off the leaves, but we're gonna blanch this just for a minute to get it softened. I do have my oven preheated to 425. So after I've took off the leaves, I'm gonna get a cookie sheet and I'm gonna put some parchment paper down. And then once I have cooked the broccolini, I'm gonna strain it. And then we'll put it on the parchment paper, and then I'll drizzle that olive oil mixture on top. I'm also going to put some Parmesan cheese, and if you like it spicy, y'all know I love it spicy, I did sprinkle some red chili flakes on there. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to share a quick and easy recipe. It's healthy for the most part. You got your protein, you got your veggies, and just something easy that you can do if you're in a hurry, you don't have a lot of time to cook. But this is a great recipe, especially for a weeknight. If you're new here, hi, thank you for watching. If you're returning, I appreciate you as well. You guys make sure that you subscribe to the channel. All right, so I'm adding the salmon onto that same cookie sheet, and then I put a little bit of butter and a slice of lemon. I'm gonna bake this for 20 minutes on 420. All right, next we're gonna start to work on our seasoned yellow rice on a medium high heat. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil into a pan. I'm gonna cut up some onions. We are going to saute the onions, and then I'm gonna add in some turmeric, some garlic powder, onion powder, and a bouillon cube. I'm gonna saute all of these things until they're fragrant, and then I'm gonna add in a cup of white rice, and I'm gonna let that kind of get fragrant and toasted, and then I'm gonna add in a chicken bouillon cube and 2 cups of water. I'm gonna let that simmer for about a minute, and then I'll turn the fire down to low and let this rice cook for about 20 minutes. You guys, I'd really appreciate if you would like again and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. It does really help my engagement. If you guys have any recipes that you want me to try, please comment down below something you'd like to see me make on the channel, and hopefully I can get that video out for you. I do want to start to do some more baking, so you'll see that soon as well. All right, and this is the salmon and the broccolini after it is all done. This was so quick and so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.